Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. This isn't just any luxury sedan. It's Cadillac's flagship performance vehicle, a car designed to challenge the very best in the high-performance market. If you're into speed, luxury, and a bit of attitude on four wheels, then stick around, because this car has it all. The 2025 CT5-V Blackwing represents the Cadillac engineering and performance prowess. Under the hood, it packs a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, cranking out an astounding 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power isn't just for show, it translates to a 0 to 60 mph time in just over 3 seconds. Imagine pressing down on the gas pedal and feeling that instant, breathtaking acceleration. It's not just about raw speed, though. The Blackwing is designed to be a full experience. It comes with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, so you can have that classic hands-on driving feel or let the car take the reins. Moving on to handling, Cadillac has pulled out all the stops. The CT5-V Blackwing features Magnetic Ride Control 4.0, one of the most advanced suspension systems on the market. This tech adjusts the car's suspension in real time, adapting to road conditions in milliseconds, so you get a smooth and controlled ride at all times. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tight turns, the Blackwing remains stable, responsive, and just plain fun to drive. Now let's talk about design, because this car isn't just a performance beast, it's a looker too. Cadillac has updated the exterior with sleek, aerodynamic lines, a wider stance, and subtle yet aggressive touches that signal its sporty nature without going overboard. The front grille is bold and eye-catching, while the rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips give the car a truly fierce look from every angle. And then there are the wheels, 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4's tires that ensure maximum grip and control. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's equally impressive. The interior combines luxury and sportness with hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and a performance-focused layout. Cadillac didn't skimp on technology either. You get a 12-inch digital driver display, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 15-speaker AC audio system for those who appreciate premium sound quality. Plus, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, adding a touch of comfort no matter the season. For safety, Cadillac's equipped the CT5-V Blackwing with a suite of advanced features. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's clear Cadillac isn't just about giving you power and speed, they want you to feel safe and in control while enjoying it. The 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a statement, a celebration of American performance engineering at its finest. With its incredible power, refined handling, and attention to detail, Cadillac has crafted a car that will leave an impression on anyone lucky enough to drive it. If you're in the market for a car that delivers luxury and excitement in equal measure, this one should be at the top of your list. So what do you think? Is the 2025 CT5-V Blackwing the ultimate performance sedan? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest cars out there. Thanks for watching.